Well, hello, this is Drew, and this is a little tutorial on how I made moving water or waterfall or clouds in my videos. Well, first, you know, record something, record a scene, right? And when find a scene that you like. For example, the scene that I like on this one is when the moon is close to the water. So I took a shot of that, a still photo. Then I went to Plotiverse. You have to download Plotiverse, and you then just there's a tutorial out there on how to use that app. And basically, there are certain things that you have to do. You have to um, anchor or put arrows on the photo, and then when you're done, it'll make you hit play, and then you'll see the water moving. And by the way, for the water, my prop is basically just made of saran wrap. This is just a styrofoam I painted black, and I just arranged the plastic to look sometimes like a bunch of waves. Not sometimes, but just whatever you like. Something like that. So that is what you're seeing on this video, in this first video. Then you need to download. It's called a KindMaster app. I'm sure there are other apps out there that can do the same job, but this is for you to combine the two videos. And this is what it looks like when they are combined. So you can see you got the train on the left moving, and then you got the water moving as well. And that is all. Dun 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 dun. Hello everyone. This is Drew Steele 69. Well, simple materials you need to make your own bat signal. I used 2.5 Pringles cans. I taped them all up together, kind of like that. And then I just put a saran wrap on the end of it, and also glued a Batman's logo, and there it is.